Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into something every artist and DIY enthusiast needs: the Sax True Flow Heavy Body Acrylic Paint in Fire Red. This isn't just any paint, it's touted as one of the best fireproof paints on the market. Let's see what makes it stand out. First off, let's talk about its primary feature: fireproof capability. The Sax True Flow paint is designed to withstand high temperatures, making it ideal for projects where fire resistance is crucial. Whether you're painting outdoor structures, fireplaces, or even decorative items near heat sources, this paint provides peace of mind with its durable, fireproof finish. Beyond its fireproof qualities, Sax True Flow offers vibrant color with its fire red shade. This isn't just any red, it's bold, vibrant, and perfect for adding a pop of color to any project. The heavy body acrylic ensures excellent coverage and depth, making it a favorite among artists and decorators alike. Imagine transforming your living space with this vibrant fire red. Whether you're sprucing up old furniture or creating a bold statement piece, Sax True Flow delivers both style and substance. While we don't rely on customer reviews, I can imagine enthusiasts praising its versatility and durability. Many would likely highlight its ability to withstand heat and its stunning color payoff. Wrapping up, the Sax True Flow Heavy Body Acrylic Paint in Fire Red is a standout choice for anyone looking to add a fiery touch to their creative projects. From its fireproof properties to its vibrant color and ease of use, it ticks all the boxes. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional artist, this paint deserves a spot in your toolkit. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on the best products out there. Until next time, happy painting!